Not everyone will like you or understand you, and that's okay. Hello, fellow mom inspirations and beautiful people. Mommy Myra here again, live from Victoria, BC in Canada. So tonight, I just wanted to give you a little gentle reminder once again, hopefully to inspire you, or I don't know, sometimes my messages make people's eyebrows race. But that is okay. It's okay to allow ourselves to be disliked. So let me share with you what I wrote in my journal. All right? So I said we have to allow ourselves to be disliked. Naturally, we want that feeling of acceptance. The feeling that we belong, that we are appreciated, accepted, that we are loved. But the truth is, not everyone will love you or like you. Not everyone will agree with you or understand you. Not everyone will express the same appreciation that you give them. Not everyone will choose you, and that is okay. It doesn't mean that there is something wrong with you. Sometimes you just choose to grow, you just choose a different path, and your direction might be going in a different way, not the ordinary. Maybe because you are special, and you are special in many ways. You know what? If we always try to please people, to force ourselves into a group, you sometimes lose yourself. You don't want that to happen. We always have to be true to ourselves. We always have to know what we want, not what they like. I know it's not natural because we always want to please others, but you cannot always please everyone. Because if you do that, there are so many changes that you'll need to do. You'll change the way you speak, the way you show up, even your looks, or even the things that, you believe in. And that's not necessarily okay. So instead of asking yourself, why don't they like me? Maybe start asking, am I being true to myself? Because that's more important, really, than being liked. Because the truth is, the right people that's meant to be yours, they will stick around. They will stay with you, and then they won't ask you to shrink. They won't change you. They will meet you where you are. And so I'm reading this. And they will appreciate your heart and all that you do. Maybe not all that you do, but a lot of the things that you do. So tonight, let this be your gentle reminder, fellow mom inspirations and beautiful people. It's okay to be misunderstood. It's okay to be disliked. It's okay to be rejected. And I should say again, sometimes those rejections, they lead to beautiful redirections. So if this message resonates with you, or you know somebody that might need this message, send this or share this. In my own experience, I've had so many rejections, and to be honest with you, those rejections led me to different paths. And I must say, those are awesome redirections. And I'm thankful for those rejections, because if not for those, I won't be running an online business right now. And so, if you're interested in earning online from home or from anywhere, message me or log into my website. This is why I'm really enjoying doing this. As they say, when you love what you do, it really doesn't feel like work. I hope you will enjoy what you love. Keep doing what you love and love what you do. And remember, it's okay to be disliked. Have a blessed evening, everybody, and I shall be seeing you again. God bless you.